Good morning. All I've done is go down to the parkade. I haven't even stepped foot outside and it's so cold. I'm a little bit later than I wanted to be today. I'm going to another 5:30 a.m. workout class. This is my third one. I don't know who I've become. I think today is arms. Is that it? I don't know. Last Friday was back and shoulders. So I think today's arms. Okay, I'm off. I don't know what is happening, but it's so cold this morning. I made some tea with my creatine in it to try and warm myself up. I just did a really quick online grocery order that I placed 2 days ago because I'm gonna do some meal prepping. I still need to go to the store and get a couple things because they were out of a few stuff. 2 bags of frozen broccoli, mustard, cherry tomatoes, ground beef, and chicken breasts. That's it. Thrilling. I just dropped off Willow for the day at daycare and I have a few errands to run because really I feel like that's all I do lately. I'm just running around. Yeah, I have to go into Costco, get like my cashback thing, and then I'm gonna see if they have ground turkey and ground beef because they didn't last time. It's gonna be like the quickest little in and out of Costco. I have to do a home sense return. I have to go to Rona. I have to go to Cosmoprof. Oh, and I want to go to Indigo. Then I'm gonna go home and meal prep a lot. Probably gonna take me hours, so I'm hoping I'll just like put on a good little audiobook and get it done. I have been meal prepping now for like at least the last 2 weeks, but I haven't filmed any of it yet because I still get a little bit stressed out while cooking. So adding the aspect of filming as well would not have gone over well. But I'm thinking today, because I have the day off, I'm just literally gonna prep so much. I'm gonna take my time. I'm not gonna panic and I'm not gonna stress out because really it's only cooking. It's not that big of a deal. Oh, I think I'm gonna go buy some flowers too. It was really sunny recently and then today is cloudy and freezing. I'm feeling like I wanna get a couple tulips just to brighten up the place. Also, you guys, I've had this car since 2019 and I bought it new. And Evan and I just share a car now and I'm feeling like it's too small. Like moving, we couldn't fit anything in my car pretty much. I had to use my parents. When I bought a Christmas tree, couldn't fit that in my car. Anytime we take a road trip, it's too small. But I also don't want to like go back to having car payments when this is finally paid off. I feel like I want a Honda CR-V, like a black and bougie one. I want to be a little bit higher up so that people's aggressively bright headlights don't blind me all the time. Because your girl's got astigmatism already, and then adding with that, a little blind. It's a thought. I guess we should like have a wedding first though. Okay guys, I'm channeling my inner Clara purse. Oh, I forgot I filled this with water already. I have my vase, some Costco flowers, some greenery to go with it. I'm gonna try the little tape hack. Okay, I restarted it and I just did all the greenery on the bottom. Now I'm just gonna place these sporadically. Already looks cutie. Am I gonna become a weekly flower girl? Wait, okay, see, adding the green first was a smart idea. Hey, she's so cute. Oh my gosh, I'm so proud of myself. Okay, I just added whatever was left over to this little vase. And then I put the other ones over here. I'm obsessed. How cute. Also, I got this tray at Home Sense today and I love it. Adorable. Okay, I'm bricking my phone so that I can cook and actually get stuff done without any distractions and hopefully be faster. Evan got this spice thing for White Elephant this year. I think I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna use Memphis on my chicken. Okay, one lunch prepped. It's a teriyaki chicken bowl. It's been 4 hours so far. I'm not finished. We ran out of Tupperware also, so I had to resort to little bags until I go buy more Tupperware. This is shepherd's pie bowl. I'm eating my dinner. Chicken, broccoli, and the potatoes that I forgot about are cooking, and I'm done. I also prepped all of our overnight oats. Well, I did 3, and Evan has 3. She's looking good. These ones have to go into the freezer, and I just have the potatoes still in the oven. That's it. I'm going to bed. It has 16 more minutes left, and then I can put them in their bags and chuck them in the freezer, and I'm going to sleep. I'm so tired. That was like almost 5 hours of cooking. But it's Monday right now, and then I won't have to cook again until Sunday. A week's worth of meals, besides like snacks and smoothies. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.